had to make this quick little video to give a shout out to the manufacturer of these router bits. I'm going to say Yonico. In any case, I bought two of them, and these are fairly large. You can see, I believe it's a 2-inch diameter round router bit. Making trim to finish off the ceiling out at my camp. And so this is making a very deep cut, and some of this wood is dry, some of it's not so dry. But this is not just a little cut, it's a very deep cut. And I just finished routing. It's taken me quite a while, but I just finished routing. I've got essentially 22 pieces all done and routed with that single bit. So I've got about 180 feet I have routed with that bit, and it is still going like it did when I put it on there. I am absolutely amazed and shocked. So I bought the two because with the depth of the cut I'm doing, I just figured that for sure that bit was going to dull and be problematic before I ever got finished what I'm doing and would need the second one. Well, I haven't even opened the second one. The first one's still going just like when I put it in there. So I've got lots of router bits that I've bought, essentially no-name brands, cheap ones, local hardware stores, or even on Amazon. These I bought on Amazon, but they're a good name. And anyway, kudos to company Yonico that makes these router bits. I will not hesitate to buy these again. They're essentially bulletproof, and I did not expect that it would go through this much wood and still be cutting the same as it did when I put that router bit in. Anyway, just had to give that little shout out as a review to this manufacturer. They call them industrial router bits, and I'm gonna, 2 thumbs up on that. They are definitely tough and industrial grade. Anyway, if you found that useful, please like and subscribe.